guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today is another Thanksgiving tutorial. Today we're making mashed potatoes. So I have some Yukon Gold potatoes, and what we're going to do is cut them up into about this big. See that? Yeah. And we're going to get them into a pot of boiling hot salt water. And I've already peeled them, so all we're doing is just cutting them up and getting them ready for our pot. So you just cut them up. You can do this on a chopping board. You don't have to do what I'm doing. This is faster. And we're just getting them, try to get them all like the same size so they'll cook evenly. We're just making a pot of mashed potatoes. See, look at that. Let's cut them in half and then just cut them into pieces. Alright. This is the big one, so we're going to cut these into threes. And just cut out our potatoes. This makes a fantastic pot. Yukon Gold potatoes make a fantastic pot. Mashed potatoes. I'm going to continue cutting these potatoes, then I'm come back with the next step. So we're going to go ahead and add some heavy cream to a saucepan. And some whole milk. Thyme leaves. And some garlic. I'm gonna get this. I'm going to get this on and let this simmer and get nice and hot, because you don't want to pour cold milk and stuff onto hot potatoes. It makes it gummy. So this is what you want to do. Okay, so we're going to start by taking our potato masher and put those potatoes in a nice big wide bowl. And you want to mash those things up real nice. I like mine a little chunky. Just a little. But if you like it smooth, you go mash it as much as you like. But I'm going to do it smooth. I'm going to try to do it smooth today. Just like so. Just like that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Okay. So, the butter in there. Hold the butter up. I'm just mixing in there. And we're just going to add a pinch of salt. A little garlic powder. And we got some parsley flakes. You can add fresh parsley, but I think it changes the flavor, so I'm going to do dry. Okay, we're almost there. Just mixing it in. Then we're gonna add the milk mixture. Okay. So we got our cream. Let's get the thyme out. Thyme sprigs out. I'm gonna pour in a little bit at a time because we don't want to add too much. Look at this, so creamy looking. Beautiful mashed potatoes. Add a little more. But you don't want to add all of it at one time. Then you can't take it out. So you end up boiling more mashed potatoes. But you can double this recipe, you can triple it. I'll give you some beautiful garlic mashed potatoes, guys. Look at that. Now, I'm going to taste it for flavor. Delicious. I'm going in with a little more salt. A little more garlic powder. Just a tad more cream, just not too much. Beautiful potatoes. Beautiful mashed potatoes. What is Thanksgiving without mashed potatoes, guys? Taste for salt. Oh my goodness. This is perfect. It doesn't need anything else. These are perfect mashed potatoes, guys. Mashed potatoes. This is how you make homemade, delicious mashed potatoes, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.